Hello and welcome to this short video on a game-changing 4-way clamp. The 4-way clamp is an all-metal clamp that gives you the ability to mount up to 4 attachments at once. The 4-way clamp features 4 recessed mounting positions located in 90-degree increments, a quick release button for quick removal, and a tension knob with a non-slip contoured brake for securing to cylinders 1.4 to 2 inches in diameter. Despite its compact size, this clamp can sustain up to 66 pounds. Let's mount the clamp first. Press the small locking button on top of the clamp opposite the hinge. Place the clamp around the riser section, press the locking button, and close the 2 halves together. Turn the tension knob until snug. Now let's mount a monolight and its power cable to the 4-way clamp. Slide the squared end of the right angle baby 5/8 inch stud into the square notch in one of the mounting positions on the clamp and turn the locking collar to secure in place. Repeat the same process with a J-hook. Mount the monolight onto the right angle stud and hang the coiled cable on a J-hook. There are 5 attachments available for this system. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.